Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, is an all-in-one marketing platform that bundles email, SMS, and WhatsApp campaigns under one roof. But each channel has its own strengths. Email marketing is Brevo's foundation. You get drag-and-drop templates, automation workflows, personalization, and analytics. It's cost-effective for reaching large audiences and works well for newsletters, promotions, or nurturing campaigns. SMS is all about immediacy. With high open rates and near-instant delivery, Brevo's SMS campaigns are ideal for flash sales, reminders, or urgent updates. The downside is character limits and higher per-message costs. So it is best for short, time-sensitive communication. WhatsApp marketing is the newest channel. Brevo integrates with WhatsApp Business, letting you send rich media messages, images, or even interactive buttons. It's more personal and conversational, great for customer engagement. And campaigns require user opt-in and are subject to WhatsApp's stricter policies. The pros of Brevo's multi-channel approach are clear. One platform to manage email blasts, SMS alerts, and WhatsApp conversations with unified analytics and automation across them. The cons? The pricing scales pretty quickly as your contact list or message volume grows. And WhatsApp in particular has higher costs and stricter compliance requirements. So if you want a broad reach and affordability, email is still king. For urgency, SMS wins, and for personalized two-way engagement, WhatsApp is the most powerful. Brevo's strength is giving you all three in one toolkit.